Abuzamako Badaba Ale Media Ghana and Neddy can share message or best subscribe to YouTube channel. No following the den and Zama Koso, we are no micro Ghana mono, yet they abroad. And Chaye and Oman Penny, John Dramani Mahama, a suspended Omemo Temua for Penny Gertrude Torkornoo on the 22nd April 2025. About 3 petitions via a troll command say, a farmer me who say, near me boo honoma, or ya any interwasi, you know, if you honor, I am John Dramani Mahama, his excellency, and also as suspended. And more the seminal ecopium or High Court. High Court to pursue the assembly semi credit so quarter in January. 4th July, ya was had the seminal ecopium Ecowas Court or Nigeria, Abuja, 4th July, or the ecopium honum. Now, Osu Ghana $10 million. Say, court name, no monje emfamano. If we say Ghana yetetia, nefa who dear so, say, or memory temo for penya yet chin as in Tepesi, yini to kunya, near uni free in the position on Tiasie. And I'm so Emma Ivan Che innocent. And also at the Nadrin, and also a better Nadrin, Afa home. Yabako Nyako in some our kind, Nedikanon. I mean, come for security and tech solution service emfamount. So you could be Wessi. A factory and as a company now per se to security yet tie so per fence wall say ye electrify or fence no emfa mount na ye say ye ma a CCTV cameras I be twa honum nyina na solar panels a beboa say light crack offer wo honum endum na light be gina 24/7 a me can for security and tech solution service the amount from na eno eni adwuma from 0244 571-977 and 020-670-9117. Yanko Ivan changing Nyonko T in someone or the two.
Na unim no. That is the suspended Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, Gertrude Torkornoo. Ono wasem na yeka ene. Could you believe that this woman at the Ghana by a court, Ecowas court or Nigeria, bisa se yanje $10 million from a buying her, na yam famano, because a buying theatre and farm dear so in the process leading to her removal na egusu air cosono. Don't forget or that semna kokrom her courts. Ama yebuogunu so a permanent free court. Sesia mano kasai our high court asem no munya nimwie wadru Ecowas court wa file your friend saying a fresh case our human rights your friend say court Ecowas in Nigeria seeking a number of reliefs, and it's quite interesting. So I think it's stay cool. Matisa minimisa wati fly through social media platforms. Chief Justice Ecowas court and then as a forum, but maybe chill and it might not be too much of opinion. I maybe later I'll take my time to walk you through my personal opinion. By maybe take you through file now was a suit in our file our Ecowas court. Nema obisa se court in your mano. That you compare to Nema obisa or ha yabotugu ye. And then the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, ya suspended no NGD or Ghana court umbiem. And was one who they could do Ecowas. And the money there didn't say process na ye koso wahano court in some ye di wahano committee na wa appear before them ye guswa ye di asem no ye nyanwie ye. So the question is what is a day na ye nisuro? What are her fears? Because assembly obi enyem wa for sinchen na yen koso na yen hwehwe misa normal processes are even so we CEO whatever be there some tools so the first thing my teacher near ya say we repair akra at the early stage you catch us kwatena fie ma yen hwehwe assembly it happens. So assembly na yen hwehwe me yen nyuru ba bia that this woman is standing on the rooftop shouting. They said, yeah, I will host some animguas, some and woman say, or say Ghana buy into $10 million man because you're good at the say. This is funny. It's really funny. And I'm coming to take you through the process. And some now all canon. And the case now, yeah, can't want some no. On the 4th of July, last Friday, and on Friday, Nigeria. human rights your friend say Ecowas court no the war Nigeria and oko efale and she's been represented by a law firm Falana Chambers. Falana Chambers in Nigeria. I say go for the Damian Timiamuano. What do Falana Chambers in Nigeria? Omo aye representing and see to no more fale Ecowas court no. And several more canning in said the fundamental human right as guaranteed by the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana and the 1992 Constitution, has been overly violated in the processes leading to petition President seeking to remove her into the Attorney General of Ghana. I was barely 30 days to respond to your friend say motion your friends are more fallen and more expected say Ghana buying a no. But some na all kind of Wakisu President John Dramani Mahama say no one fakwan papa so na na premier fasie Council of State for establishing no adeɛ pɔte ɔmo gyina so establish yɛ no onim enti until sɛ obehu saa adeɛ no ɔnte aseɛ Adam Akacho as a Council of State establishing a premier facie no is not an adjudicatory process. It's a matter of discretion. Ɛnyɛ court process ɛna ɛnyɛ ruling na yɛatwerɛ ho extensive report de Abraham Wakan. And in over the years, Nipa will go through this same process in Obiedi reasons leading to the premier fascia establishment has been written extensively to them. To be fair, Nano Ada Kufuado or Bekono or to case in it to be besine as to how or can't say ya to a seminatogun Obianim, including this woman gallivanting around. Embarrassing herself here and there. Now, I just always want to be fair. Now, no other petition Professor Kwaku Azan, the former President Akufo-Addo said, only Torkornoo free hono. President Akufo-Addo saw the Council of State a question there, Marco General. Now, on conclusion is in some young Tungu. I'm asking Torkornoo, sir, did she request for details of that particular ruling? No, our Council of State did buy because any adjudicatory process. And I am a ruling. The next phase, our meeting committee, that is an adjudicatory process. I don't know, you must be heard. And that is why you have been asked to appear before the committee. I say, sometimes, maybe take you through relief na or seeking or say one ni relief na or seeking no eya mako 10 and na mami order so yi seeki say Ecowas court no enya ma no na maybe some who say some of the relief na or seeking no Ecowas court no our jurisdiction to grant na but nipa ya or the asemi na my emotions are driving the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. You are expecting the Ecowas court to come back to Ghana and order the president of a sovereign country like Ghana say or not a constitutional provision our constitution or not activity, and Ghanaian court has demonstrated say he has not flouted any law and the external court will come with a ruling and quash the ruling of the president. You must be smart and intelligent enough to know that some of these things will not wash. So the relief they can say a declaration that the suspension application, the suspension of the applicant, Chief Justice Torkornoo Esaba, whatever, as the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana by the president of the respondent state on the 22nd of April 2025 violated the applicant's right to fair hearing guaranteed by Article 7 of the African Charter on human and people's rights. They say there, and Ghana your constitution be more. Her primary document of reliance, is no longer the Constitution of Ghana, which is the primary document safeguard and guarantee the rights of every Ghanaian. Sa document isn't her primary point of reference. An African Charter on Human Rights. And President Mahama abuse and for that reason, court Second one, a declaration that the panel where they hear instituted by the respondent nation, that is Ghana, to investigate and determine the allegations of misconduct against the applicant was not constituted to guarantee its independence and impartiality, and such has violated the applicant's human right to a fair hearing guaranteed by Article 7 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. Now, because I my way, I'm saying emotions and financial no. In some occasion, in Sebunu. Or say, panel na President Mahama as constituted no beginning, or say emu mienu judges mienu no a omoka ho no. Partial, and they cannot guarantee fairness in the process. And now what go through Ecowas where you free nipa mienu no so they call the entire committee no so say committee no nyina no say ya koso mo motena so omo yo mo adwuma they cannot guarantee fair the process cannot be fair. The process cannot be impartial. And the only nuanum judge for other people no mo dey court so on that administrative head ne say and Crofono Bugu panel no so no sabi omo ya kromfo because it's a wo obi a won kan okra the other way round which is a we mambo ni no ono ane ponaman ne other judges na omo ti supreme court on na hwe omo so no mo ye adwuma no eya kwamukafo say omo tena sa asem no so a ebe violating human right as guaranteed by Article 7 of the offense and this charter. 4. A declaration that the purported suspension of the applicant as the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana of the respondent state on the 22nd of April 2025 has exposed her to public ridicule and odium. Public ridicule, the one or public ridicule, uko jina kwa press conference. Eka kikan se munu ko shopping for emotions, thinking say Ghana for come to your aid. But hey, Ghana for niate sa comedy ni sa bosabi mo John politics. Some no Ghanaians are no longer ready to fall for those nonsense. Is the reason why. And tinya Ghana for ne kogu weni masa one hour swa who ko jina camera ni na kogu weni masa chire wiase nyina. And locally and internationally, and that the said constitute the violation of her human right and dignity as guaranteed by Article 5 of the African Charter and People's Right. All the 5 reliefs now, 4 reliefs now, all seeking from the court, none. And they make you reference, say, you have violated the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Now, the Charter. Okay. Number 5, a declaration that by subjecting the applicant to an illegal and unfair investigation and the trial since April 2025, the respondent has inflicted injuries on her professional standing and image, thereby exposing her and her family to immeasurable public ridicule. This woman is a joker. You see, sir, issues now. A human right into human right abuses and as a phone waiting. So, in some all kind of say. Free say yes share this petition the processes and I say the edina form winning no good or no anymase a good family anymase a send the image. But don't forget that the process in activation is also a constitutional injunction on Ghanaian or free say obi I'll hold such office and I had their bonnet. Now we activate a constitutional process. Then the president will have to activate extra constitutional process if the Council of State for establishing merit in the case, a further constitutional process has to be activated. And as we speak, it is activation of a due process upon due process upon due process upon due process. So minim image kura yes ya ridicule no because enti Charlotte say no na se fo e de omo fa process na ye omodie ye gu omonim ase e na Chief Justice Abra no wankasa se no e judge Justice Derry and Co. Shraj boss Professor Mills Penso MPP for petition the same Mahama mane ko yi omodi no omode e omo ni abusiafo ana omode omo human right am violate. You see, some of this is like it's funny. It's funny. Okay, so we call your friend is saying, ne cease relief now. I say an order to the respondent republic to act immediately to prescribe rules of procedure to govern the investigation of allegations of misconduct against the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana in conformity with the right to a fair hearing guaranteed by the Constitution of Ghana and the African Charter. And I make us say, in some no can in some who say African court no order Ghana. Na process na yegusu aye no. Omo making sure say a free fair ever guarantee in human right na say for. And I'm say which part of the process that's far. And I enjoy in integrity. In some okay, no, she has not been able to mention a single thing that has been done specific. They all kind of say the process, the petition, the process, the investigation, enjoy a reputation, destroy no, a good and say good, but she hasn't been able to pinpoint an exact thing that has been done that far. And no na ye ni na swa. Or kase no ye good anymore say don't forget that. So because that is a common thread that will come back to hit her. Okay. The seventh one. Or say an order directing the respondent in Ghana to lift the suspension immediately and restore the applicant to full or mami way agro na dwe mu papa nti o say adnokra men kan wie o say Ecowas court no order Ghana say suspension of President Mahama de amano no ontwam na ye ma no kwan ono sono maame no amamfo ato ne din no ye ma no kwan na onko ni Chief Justice no onye na dwuma kasa agro na dwe mu because as a Chief Justice she knows says establishing the premier facie we are based on Lona Council of State. The powers no rested with the president either to allow you to stay or to suspend you. It's a discretionary injunction of the president, and there is no court. My character said there is no court on this land. I say otherwise. So a woman of her stature, she ought to know better. Say, there is no court on this planet Earth that can direct the president because the Constitution gives that discretion to the president. He may go right or left. That is up to him. There is no court on this land, Menka West African court, not even UN. And the bit me directed the president, a sovereign of a sovereign country, and the executive president of a country like Ghana, say, "Could you suspension if we so?" No court. 8. An order restraining the respondent, Ghana, from continuing with the purported inquiry for the Mami way a joker and the Ecowas court no on country Ghana for say process na ya sha say ya investigated this inquiry crano. Yen suspend yen twam until say Ghana for ye betimi asho a guarantee say the process na be sha sia for na the ye be comedy e free and fair. I'm catch say the all accused say any free and fair no. There hasn't been a single mention of a particular infraction that has occasioned that far. And the basic argument the original so case process na air cost no are infringing or are violating a human right. But a violation of human right, violation, but there hasn't been a single point I give credence to this particular, your friend say, overused expression in this petition, in this lawsuit pending Ecowas. Now, when I said no, an award of $10 million as compensation for moral and reputational damage suffered by the applicant as a result of her illegal suspension. And we jokers, I grow money, so yeah, $10 million, yeah, amount for them. And the Chief Justice in some of our and say, the modern form of violating the human rights and as a for Ghana and there. Ye met ya 10,000, your friend said $10 million. Niam Faman no in a bush of phone cody. Or Yana Sabiana ya Jimmy. And any other relief as the Honorable Court may deems just. Indeed, you are not a king. And then the court, one can court no free set or Gemana about one. Nina court and Kekamo, Gemano. 10 million versus a million $2. Yanjena yam famana manum kodi because you violating the human right. My Mrs. Sikana will park off here. Rather. Like I said, I'm not going to, I will take my time and put my opinion on this particular thing. Today, by way of information, that's why I'm just trying to let you know, sir, the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, since petition way, and she's not prepared to just on trade with no quite baby. Na among for Johnny Dimbo. I'm sending the free news to one added. As some no cassette now number catch me a video catcher or say a case is pending at High Court on one of the quay. I said no winning me yet. Time in young so yet. Then she files another way. Investigation na Ecowas. She has been appearing on yet. And the one person you could see say she doesn't even know idea ope. Saman for ne to for and we free go from the dame ho eko Nigeria. And a hona omo ekwa adina semama no. My culture say ne law firm near. Falana Chambers, Nigeria. Ghana for me who some more. Anyway, I think that is by way of information, I will take my time and put my opinion. I don't want this video to be long. Until the next episode, will be my personal opinion on this whole thing. Thank you very much. Subscribe for the next episode.
Abusuam Samu akwa badeba ala media Ghana. Said ye ensem no etie no eno no adanchei ono nso akire na adwen e wo saa asem yi ho. Saa asem akopiem e wo Ecowas a Nigeria ekura efe na Abuja ho na court no wa akopiem say yani egusu di akire say ne one de koda ho mo say yen kama no ne anyi say sika no emfa ma no ebebe mu saa anase emma mu saa because asem na ba no di kan di akọ high court e Ghana asem no da so court yenya nwiye wasan de kopi wo ne say ahanu Ghana hanu wani gidi say ensema wodi akoda in court no court bitumi edi amano nti wasan de kopi say justice be kwa amano say yebe ma no kwan ana say sika wo pe say oman Ghana magongo Ghana yintua amano no yebetua ana say ohonso no court ebebo atoagu yeni di akire de be fimu ababia no yemfa nka vie tie fo ni ahwefo